Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
Here today to show you a beautiful 1971 Chevy Chevelle Super Sport. It's done in dark gray with black stripes. The paint and the chrome and the glass is all beautiful on it. This is a freshly restored car. All new Riddler wheels. It is powered by a 454 big block automatic with power steering, power brakes, disc brake conversion all the way around. All aluminum pulleys underneath the engine. Look at the engine bay, you'll see the beautiful engine bay it has.
Oh yeah.
Sounds very, very good. It's also been updated interior with the all Dakota digital dashboard instrumental cluster with a Sniper EFI carburetor and a Bluetooth stereo.
Heck yeah.
This car runs very well. I've driven it up and down the interstate, 75, 80 mile an hour, and purrs like a kitten, and it sounds awesome.
Cool. Well, you are about to gonna find out. All right, we'll get it started. Take a look at the engine bay, take it for a test drive, and then take a look underneath. Stay tuned. Big block automatic. This car runs, it sounds awesome. It's one way to wake you up in the morning.
We got 0.08% fuel left. Make that 0.07. There's a little brake squeal there when I got on it, but we can take care of that. So
How do the brakes feel though?
brakes feel real good. It's got 4-wheel disc brake conversion on it. Not sure what the exhaust on this car is, but it sounds awesome.
It does sound good.
Steering feels real good. Brakes feel good. Shifts right.